All right, guys. Yep, check this out. I'm on my second job, October the 31st. I'm out here in Hateville, Georgia, right over here by the airport. I kind of need me a new flight, not a new flight, but ready to jump on a plane. But guys, it is so cool out here. You got all the kids out here trick-or-treating. This is something, you know, bringing back memories as a kid, trick-or-treating. So my clients, they're actually moving in, Miss Amy and her husband, and they actually reached out to me. Again, I never came out and looked at this job. They saw my videos, sent me pictures, they booked on the spot, and they actually added 2 more rooms. So I'm doing the whole house. So let me show you guys what I'm doing. All right, guys, so there's some of the trick-or-treaters right there. There's my client, that's Miss Amy right there, and her husband. He owns his own business. He said, Courtney, trust me, I was supposed to be here between 5 and 6, so it's like 7:30. So you got the trick-or-treaters, see right there. So you got the trick-or-treater, there's my client right there. Amy, what's your husband's name again? Kyle. So that's Kyle and Amy. So these are my clients. So anyway, guys, let's go in and show you what I'm going to be doing today. Screen and recoat. Also just set up my lighting to get some better lights in here. So guys, here are the floors right here. Just need a good TLC, and that's all they was looking for. So we got these 2 areas right here, or this area, which is the dining room. This is the living room, and then these 2 bedrooms right here. So overall, guys, the floors are not bad. I just had another client send me pictures on my way here, and same thing. He said, Courtney, I don't want to sand the floors, just want to make it look better. And it has some wear here and there. So he said he's going to, he also sent me pictures, asked me how soon can I get to it. And I told him either next Wednesday. If not next Wednesday, it will be the 19th of November. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna get started, enjoy this job, and watch the trick-or-treaters come by and get the candy. So hopefully they can enjoy it while they're younger, because when they get older, like some of us, it is time to go see the candy. Alright, guys, got a really good screen on this floor. Also went around the edges, but my client told me, she said, Courtney, you don't have to do that because we're going to put quarter rounds around the baseboards. So I was going around with my scraper, just kind of scraping some of the stuff that was around the edges of the walls. But anyway, guys, the floors are ready, prepped for a new finish. And I'm gonna go ahead and get started. And I just ordered me some DoorDash, have me some late dinner while this floor is getting ready for new coating. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, check it out. Look how much better these floors look. All they need is a little TLC. All right, dining room. Okay, and then I'm about to go to put the second coat down. And the second coat always looks better. Especially floors like this where there's really no protection on the floor, but look at that right there. So much better. So much better, guys. All right, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the second coat down. Right now it is 9:52, so I should be out of here about 10:20, 10:30. Be back to the office about 11:15, and give me some rest. Tomorrow I got a consultation in Cummings. Then I have a job. I told her I'll be there closer to 11. She said, Courtney, that's fine, because it's just me, myself, and I. So I'm gonna get up tomorrow about 9:30, start moving this stuff around. It's a small job. And then I have another consultation while I'm in that area of College Park, which I'm close to now, tomorrow. So tomorrow's 2 consultations, 1 job, off for the weekend, and be back at it Monday. All right, guys, see you in the next one.